Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. This video I'm about to show you how you can change the text color in Photopea. This is a Photopea tutorial. Make sure you subscribe for more Photopea tutorial. Now let's jump right in the video. So I'll show you guys on this thumbnail that I have for this video. So I have this text right here. Now if you don't know how to add a text, just head over here to the text. You can also press on T, type tool T, click on it, select it, and now we can write here something. Now as default text color is black and we want to change text color. So let's see here, we write something, we click on the move tool, and now if you hold control you can resize it. If you double tab, now you don't resize it, but if there's more text we can show there's more text. Now although D, select D, go to color here and select the color, change the color. Right now if you want to change the the fonts, I like this font, that's what I use usually. Looks more appealing, more eye-catching, I guess. But that's pretty much how you change the color of any text. You just have to select the text. If you want to delete this text, just click here and delete. If you want to just select your text, excuse me, just change the color, and that's pretty much it. Change text color. I'll actually write here text color, and you resize it. Hold control please when you resize, otherwise it won't work. Actually it will work, but maybe it's just a habit for me, because in Photoshop, like the app, you have to hold control, but here you apparently don't have to. But you can hold Alt and you can get this effect. Just try. And now we can double click, change T, and change color from here. Then change text color. Now to save, go to File, Export as PNG, save, and now we saved this. Okay, so I hope guys this video helped you. Make sure you subscribe for more tutorials, and if you have any suggestions, leave your suggestions down below, and make sure you subscribe. I really appreciate it.